Hello everyone, today we will talk about the 5 peso coin. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose Victory. So let's continue. The Philippine 5 peso coin from 2013 is from the BSP series featuring the profile of Emilio Aguinaldo and is made of nickel brass. It has a round shape and is part of the standard circulation coins issued from 1995 to 2017. The reverse side shows a Tayabak plant and the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas BSP logo. BSP logo is at the middle and Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas on the side, and at the lower is the 1993. So the 5 peso coin is made of nickel brass, issued from 1995 to 2017 and standard circulation during 2013. So guys, I found something here in this coin. I saw something very different. So I will show you. I'm not sure if this is an error or not. Only the coin expert can tell if this is an error or not. Because since I am not a coin expert, I have no idea of what is this. Anyway, this is focus the coin. This is the kind of here. This metal axis or error. I don't know this one. You see the one? So yeah, I don't know if this is an error or not. Only the coin expert can tell if this is error. So guys, I found I have two coins like this one and also this one. And this the first coin. This one. Then this is the another coin. This coin is the same. It has the same metal axis or error in his face. This one. Yeah, this one, guys. Yeah. So I don't know if this is an error or not. Yeah. Anyway, only the coin expert can tell if this is error. Because since I am not a coin expert, I have no idea what is this. So anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose Victory, and like my video. Thank you very much.